Hey fellow Janes, I just got done packing for my trip to Africa, and guess what? I fit everything I need into a single carry-on. I know, I'm shocked too. There's even room to bring home some souvenirs. As I packed, I took note of my space-saving efforts so I could share them here with you. In this video, I shared 9 little tricks that help me pack lighter for a 2-week trip to Africa in October. This video is for you if you're looking for tips and tricks to packing a little lighter on your next voyage. So let's get started. Trick number 1, decant and repackage your toiletries. Even travel-sized bottles can be way too much, and you only need to take what you need. For this trip specifically, I melted down my deodorant and put it into an old lip balm tube. Yep, DIY deodorant stick. I've seen other travelers swear by it, now I'm giving it a whirl. Just make sure you label it so you don't smear it all over your lips. Next, go tiny. Micro versions of things exist, and every little bit makes a difference. Don't underestimate the power of shaving just a few ounces here and there. Tide sticks are already small, but did you know they make an even smaller version? And check out my new tiny lip balm. I know that my lip balm is not making or breaking the weight of my bag, but look at all of this stuff together. It's taking up a fraction of the space full-sized versions would. Plus, they are super cute. The third trick, go solid when you can. Solid toiletries don't actually weigh less, but they last so much longer than liquids, so you can pack less of them. I've cut off hunks of shampoo bars, face wash, and soap that will last me way past this trip. And other items like powdered toothpaste and solid lotion sticks are lifesavers. And bonus, you don't have to worry about TSA limits with solid toiletries. Trick number 4, quality matters. And when it comes to the fabric of your clothes, it matters even more. Wool is the MVP, and it can be worn multiple times without washing, which means you don't need to pack as many. And no, you don't have to drop big money. Just keep an eye on thrift stores and consignment stores for deals on quality fabrics. Investing in quality will save space in your bag and save you money in the long run since you'll be able to wear them for years to come. Trick number 5, pack sets. My example here is a little wrinkled. I'm bringing this skirt set that doubles as a dress when worn together, but also mixes and matches with other outfits. 2 pieces, multiple looks, that's efficiency. Trick number 6, plan to do a little laundry and pack some laundry sheets. These feather light little guys let me do laundry on the road. Now, do I love doing laundry while traveling? Absolutely not. But would I rather pack half as many clothes? Yes, I would. This is especially helpful when it comes to your underwear. Trick number 7, 2 shoes max. Shoes are heavy, bulky, and frankly annoying to pack. I'm bringing 1 pair of sandals and 1 pair of closed-toed shoes. If you can survive with 1 pair, you win. Notice I'm not packing boots for the safari. That is because my safari is a Jeep safari and I will not be hoofing it through the terrain. So unless you plan to do a lot of hiking, leave those boots at home. Trick number 8, find twofers. Anything that does double duty is gold. My scarf is a scarf, but it's also a towel in a pinch. Not a great towel, but it'll get the job done. And that makeup stick there is both eyeliner and eyeshadow. Less to pack, more to work with. Trick number 9, and the last one. It's actually maybe what you should start with, and that is the right bag. If you're serious about packing light, don't grab the biggest suitcase you own. I'm using a backpack, maybe not the smallest or lightest one out there, but it will force me to only bring what actually fits in this bag. So if you want to pack lighter, then you need smaller luggage. So those are my 9 tricks for packing lighter. Will I miss having 3 extra outfits, 5 pairs of shoes, and my full-size shampoo? Maybe. But will I be grateful when I breeze past baggage claim in Africa with everything I need on my back? Oh, absolutely. If you've got your own favorite packing hacks, drop them in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas. And if you found this helpful, hit that button and subscribe for more travel tips. Happy adventures!